What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you how I set up these custom LED strips in my kitchen, and you can see they are lighting up the bottoms of the cabinet as well as underneath where the backsplash is. Today we're going to be looking at these motion activated LED strips. I currently have them installed underneath my kitchen cabinets and they are motion activated, so you'll also notice I have them installed on the floor here. So you'll notice once I walk into the kitchen, these lights automatically kick on, and also the ones mounted underneath the kitchen cabinets will turn on as well. So it's really simple and easy. Basically, I just have it plugged in right there. The motion sensor is located there, and here the LED strip is connected. I did run an extra wire coming up the top, to the side, down, and to the other side of the LED strip. Also, as you can tell, I've installed them on the bottom of the cabinets in the kitchen as well. As well as on the opposite side. You can tell this side is a little bit brighter, and that's what I like about these so much, is because you can manually turn them on all the time. You can have them set up on a motion sensor, and you can also adjust the sensitivity of the light. So those are the different brightness modes for the lights. You have the manual on, manual off mode, as well as the timer. So you can configure this light to turn on for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 180 seconds, 300 seconds, and 600 seconds. So again, super easy to install. I have outlets installed on each one of my cabinets also. So as you can see here, I have the power line going up. Inside of the cabinet, I have an outlet installed in the back. That plugs in and that powers the motion sensor. And from the motion sensor, the LED strip lights are connected. I specifically went with these lights because they are very low profile. In the future, I do plan on placing an LED diffuser on these lights so you don't see the individual LEDs. Also, since I have a glossy floor, the LEDs do tend to reflect off the floor pretty well. And this is where a diffuser would be handy. I do have more LED lights set up on my fireplace, and you'll notice over there they are on a diffuser. So the diffuser produces a cleaner result where you don't see the individual LEDs. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below to the LED strips I used. And again, I like these so much because they're motion activated. You can also bypass that, force them to stay on, or also you can adjust the brightness of the LED strips. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for tech videos, subscribe. Let me know your comments down below if I did a good job or any recommendations you would have, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you how to set up these lights in my garage since I don't have them installed yet. So my outlet is right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run a wire up to here, under the cabinet, mount the lights under the cabinets, and I've already pre-drilled one hole already on either side of the cabinet. And so basically I'm gonna route the wire from there, going all over to the end and start the LED strip and coming all the way back over here. So the reason why I drilled these holes also is because I want the lights to sit flush on this piece here. And I don't want any of the wires showing, so I recessed them back here, and I basically tuck them and hide them back here. So let me show you a quick demo of drilling the hole. And then I come at it from the other side. And there we have two clean holes to route the wire through, all the way to the other side. You can also see I've already pre-drilled all the holes for the cabinets. So now I'm gonna grab the light here, stick it onto the bottom of the piece of wood here. This provides a smooth surface an even surface all along the side of the cabinet. So as you can see, the LED strip is getting mounted under here. All right guys, so we've gotten the LED strips fully mounted onto the bottom of the cabinets. Now all we have to do is hide that cable through the bottom of the cabinets. So now that we've got the LED strips installed on the bottom and our holes drilled, we can go ahead and route the power wire underneath the cabinet. And what I'm gonna do is go right through the hole here, fish it out the other side. And from here, this one connects to the motion module. And the other side connects to the light. And now all we need to use is that double-siding tape and mount this to the top of the cabinet where it is hidden. Don't worry, this is very sensitive, so even when we walk in from the door over there, it usually will catch it. So this is the finished result for the top here, and you can see it's a pretty clean install. I plan on moving this power adapter into the cabinet in the future, so I want it to plug in there. And then all these wires will be completely hidden. But as you can see, all the wires are hidden through. I also used this extra piece here. If your wires do hang down a little bit, they come with these clips in the box, and those will help you tidy up those wires. All right, so here we're gonna start walking up towards it, and the bottom already kicks on. I'm only halfway into the garage. And then you'll notice that the cabinet top lights have kicked on now. Again, that is a quick look at those lights. And I'm gonna turn the recessed ceiling lights off. And this is what that looks like here. Again, on those motion sensors, so they automatically kick on. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. Leave me a big thumbs up if you guys did find the video helpful. Check out my channel for tech videos. And also, I added these recessed lights in the garage as well. So if you guys are interested in home videos, make sure you check out my channel. If you guys are interested in tech, make sure you check out my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.